We have to ask better questions. I remember when I was practicing law, when I first started practicing law as a public defender, and I would watch the state attorneys go through their little trial binders and they would ask question after question after question. Now, these were the questions that, their office had put together to tell them that these are the things that you need to ask in order to prove your case. Well, what that did was restrict them from being able to listen to the answers that they were being given and then ask a follow-up question. So we would watch them ask this question one after the other, after the other. There was no connection, there was no pulling things together. And what it taught me is that the number one cheat code to being able to ask better questions is to be an active listener. See, when we actively listen to what's being said, as opposed to just, oh, when's the next thing that I have to say, or when's my turn, then you can hear what's being said, what's not being said, and what's being said between the lines. And then you can effectively follow up. Then you can ask the next best question. And the next best question might not be the question that was on your list. It might not be the question that was on the piece of paper. So the number one cheat code to asking better questions is to actively listen.